it feels amazing. It's just a big, really, really big honour. Like inside the lecture room, there was so many amazing, amazing people, students, former students who are doing just amazing things. I think just to be here and to all have been at Cardiff, is just a massive honour. My name's Maryam. I'm an assistant producer for Sky Sports, and what we do is I work as part of the bespoke content team. So it's just creating stories around diversity and inclusion, around sports really. So it can be anything from the sporting calendar, football, rugby, to the social calendar. So stories around Ramadan. If it involves sport and diversity, then that's kind of what I cover. Oh, it's lovely. I think it's just a really nice community feel. Like it's nice to come in and read everyone's boards and maybe not so much seeing my face on there, but it's just lovely. It's just really home. It feels like home. I think I did my undergrad in history and I really enjoyed just, my time then. I think that was in 2017. But my master's is when I feel that I got the best experience from Cardiff. I met so many like-minded individuals, from my lecturers to just peers. It shaped me massively. It gave me the confidence to go out and kind of be where I want to be. And I feel like I had a dream back then and I'm now living it. So it's been amazing.